Ace equity investor and billionaire Rakesh Jhunjhunwala passed away on 14th August at the age of 62. The self-made investor will always be remembered for his exceptional stock market skills and wisdom which he imparted to investors. His investments were closely tracked by the media, and he generally tends to favor stocks in the finance, tech, retail, and pharma sectors. He currently holds 32 stocks as per the June quarter shareholding data. Let's have a look at the stocks he owned as well as his journey through life. He was amongst the most influential voices in the Indian market and inspired many retail investors to start investing in stock markets. He was always positive about Indian markets in the long term. He once said stock markets are always right. Never time the market. The only rule I have is there are no rules. Often called the Warren Buffett of India, Jhunjhunwala had an estimated net worth of around $5.8 billion or around 46,000 crore rupees. A qualified chartered accountant, he invests in both his own name and his wife's, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. He also invests via his asset management firm, Rare Enterprises. Jhunjhunwala had recently backed Akasa Air, a new budget airline in India, which began operations earlier in August. Other than that, he along with his wife was also one of the largest investors of Titan, making up more than a third of their portfolio. He holds over 5% in the Tata Group firm worth 11,190 crore rupees. His second highest investment, in terms of value, is in Star Health and Allied Insurance, where he and his wife together hold a 17.49% stake in the company worth 7,075 crore rupees. His other top holding where he holds a stake worth over 1,000 crore rupees include Metro Brands, where he holds a 14.4% stake worth 3,354 crore rupees, Tata Motors, where he holds a 1.1% stake worth 1,744 crore rupees, and CRISIL, where he holds 5.5% stake worth 1,306 crore rupees. Meanwhile, he also holds 23.4% stake worth 212.7 crore rupees in Aptech and 12.6% stake worth 510.7 crore rupees in NCC. Born on 5th July 1960, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala was an Indian billionaire business magnate, stock trader, and investor. He began investing in 1985 with a capital of 5,000 rupees, with his first major profit in 1986. At the time of his death, he had an estimated net worth of $5.8 billion, making him the 438th richest person in the world. Jhunjhunwala studied and trained to be a chartered accountant, and his father worked as a commissioner of income tax. According to Wikipedia, Jhunjhunwala's first big profit came in the form of 5 lakh rupees from an investment of 5,000 rupees in 1986. Between 1986 and 1989, he earned almost 20 to 25 lakh rupees profit, and by 2022, his investment had grown to 11,000 crores rupees. Besides being an active investor, Jhunjhunwala was also the chairman of Aptech Limited and Hungama Digital Media Entertainment, and sat on the board of directors of Prime Focus, Geojet Financial Services, Billcare, Praj Industries, Nagarjuna Construction Company, and Viceroy Hotels, among others. Unlike names like Harshad Mehta and Ketan Parekh, whose rise in fortunes in post-liberalized India was tainted with scam links, the newest big bull in the more regulated market had lesser baggage on this front. The investor will be missed by all his peers and investors alike. It will be very difficult for anyone to replace the big bull. But his advice and words of wisdom are there to always help and guide investors. As he would say, always go against the tide. Buy when others are selling and sell when others are buying.